Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect custom domain to Bolt.new. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to Bolt.new and simply log in using user credentials and navigate to the app where you want to add the custom domain to. Now, after opening the page, click on Settings gear icon at the top right and choose Server Functions. Here, choose Domains and Hosting. Here, you're going to see two options, buy a new domain and connect a domain you own. Simply choose connect a domain you own and this will instantly show you a field where you'll have to just enter the details of your domain, your custom domain, simply copy it, paste it in the section, click add domain. After you see the confirmation that Bolt recognizes the domain as already registered, and if the domain is not already registered, then it need to be purchased. After completing these steps, you should see a message that says your custom domain has been added but is not yet functional. So, while it's still in the project settings, navigate to domains and hosting, then follow the steps that I'm going to show you to point your domain to your registrar to Bolt. So click resolve DNS issues, keep this DNS configuration window open. Now in the new tab, log into your domain registrar account. Then find the area that allows you to manage your DNS, create alias record as instructed in the DNS configuration window, then simply wait for the changes to take effect. After giving the domain some time to make changes, you can return to Bolt and verify its status by simply navigating back to domains and hosting and clicking the verify button. After you do this, you would have successfully connected your custom domain to Bolt.new. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.